Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is January 10th, 2025. It's a Friday morning, and it's about 8:45, and I'm over here at Ski Roundtop, and you can see that they've already got the Minuteman lift running. The Minuteman trail looks like it's been groomed. There goes Chuck. Hey Chuck. So Chuck and I are going to be skiing today, and it looks like it's going to be a good day. You know, it's about maybe 25 degrees Fahrenheit out. Supposed to get up to the low 30s, like 30 exactly today. So we'll see what kind of day we're going to have. All right, here we go. Sit from up there.
Oh, you can't?
No, it's blocked off. What time is it now?
Hey, can we turn the channel?
11:40. We're doing 10 minutes of run. Woohoo!